Hello, welcome back to another lecture. So this is assignment number 2. So in this assignment, I want you to do 3 things. I have 3 sketch in the asset folder, so download those 3 sketch. And they are sketch 1, 2, and 3. This is sketch 1. For sketch 1, I want you to turn this sketch into this. So let me right click and edit the sketch. So this is what the sketch looks like. I want you to add a chamfer and a fillet. So I have the dimensions for the chamfer and the fillet. And for the next one, so let me open that sketch. Not that one, this one. So for this sketch 2, I want you to, and again, if I edit it, so you see what it looks like. This is what sketch 2 looks like. I want you to turn this sketch into that. So there is a tool you can use to turn it into that. I won't tell you, so try to remember what tool you can use to create 2 sides that look identical. So that's sketch 2 and sketch 3. So for sketch 3, I have this sketch. Again, let me open it. So this is what the sketch looks like. I want you to clean it up using all the tools we've learned. Clean it up and make it look like that. So you should, by the time you are done, it should be fully defined and you should have a 4 width and 3 inches height. So thank you, and we'll go through the solutions in the next lecture. Thank you, and I'll see you later. Bye.